Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to verify your account in the xChief broker. As you saw in the previous video, we registered in this broker, and now we want to verify our account. We're on the main page of our user account, and we click on the profile option. First, we need to verify our identity information in the identity verification section. This document can be either a passport or a national ID card, and the uploaded file can be in JPG, PNG, PDF, or GIF format. After uploading your identification document, you need to take a selfie. Upload it while holding your ID next to your face, and then click on the document option. Upload your ID while holding it next to your face, and you click on the file document option. We need to wait to verify documents. In the account verification section, we repeated the document upload process, but for reasons it was rejected. After a few days, we encountered this message stating we need to verify identity on our mobile phone. We can download the broker's app from platforms, download the broker's software, and after installation, you can log into your account. In the profile section, click on the Verify Your Identity option. Choose passport, ID card, or driver's license, or drivers. And we can download and install the broker's app from different platforms. After downloading the broker's software and installing it, you can log into your account using the email and the code that will be sent to your email. Finally, in the Profile and Identity Verification section, you can complete your verification process by clicking on the Verify Your Identity option. From the available options, which are passport, ID card, or driver's license, you choose the one you prefer. After selecting your desired document, you'll enter the verification process. You need to take a picture of your document. First, take a picture of the front of your document, and then take a picture of the back of your document. In the third step, you also need to take a selfie of yourself. After uploading the documents, you click on the OK option. And you need to wait for a while for the uploaded documents to be approved. And as you can see, after about an hour, our profile was successfully created. It gets verified. We can start using the different sections of the site. In the upcoming tutorials, we'll be discussing various methods for depositing and withdrawing in this broker. Take care.